Welcome back, and we make some tutorial for Davinci Resolve, how correctly color grading color for same rendering output as timeline. Yeah, even when we make some special setting. So let's have a look and go to video or do it the tutorial. Yeah, I'm so sorry, something new location. Of course, I don't agree. Beep 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 dee na 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 na. So, anybody home? No. Oh? No. Haha. So, why is not working? Come on, baby. Okay, it's not working. Don't worry. We got some. Ah, really? Really? So let's go. This is video from my Canon R6. So we got it. Let's get some video. I think there we are. No. Let's have a look. No. Okie dokie. We got next. Oh, we don't got it. We don't got it. Okay, this is not correct SD card. Why? I think so. This is photo. Alright. Okie dokie. We stop and see later. So right, we are finally back. Location is gone. Everything worked perfectly. So next step, what we should do, or what we can do. So if you open file, go to video, thanks. I don't have a black jacket. It's the same video, really? There we go. So before, if you import video, Adobe will show you the window which tell you can the fix color profile or whatever, something you don't, or click nothing to do or disagree. Yeah, so that's it. Next step, you get to setting, preferences, and go to general. You need click 10 bits and use Mac display color profile for viewers, right? Do make sense? And other setting on this, we go to color management, set to Davinci YRGB color manager, HDR Rec 2020 PQ and P3. P3 is profile for modern TV and modern HDR displays. P3 D65 limited. That's it, and same. And outputs color you need click same as timeline. For this HDR Rec you need color processing mode. That's what they say as before, right? I make video for HDR, you know. if you want for HDR and whatever. Other cool things is, do you hear the winter? So you need to get to setting, go to audio and use voice isolation. Winter will be gone. So let's play again. We don't hear, maybe. We can't hear anything because maybe we'll see. This is perfect. Winter is gone. Try more. Please. Why you don't follow me? This is perfect. Do you see? Okay. So again. Ice. Good. Try again. This is perfect. Much better. This is for ice isolation. No ice isolation, voice isolation. Sorry. I never do this video again. Sorry. Right? And here we don't have nothing. For fish eye, if you get the post like rounded, this is correct video, but we can see if we'll be rounding, so we need grouping. It's not here. Right. Lens correction. There we go. Lens correction. So here you fix or disable or whatever the fish eye views. You make like this button. We can't, but first you need analyze, but we can't see anything because this video is correct. Yeah. So anyway, now let's have a look. So click the color. We make correction for this video. The color, blam blam blam, add a node, a serial, click effect, the color, no color, color space transform, add input color, Canon Cinema, and inputs Canon log 3. There we go. Make a little bit brighter. The lens is okay. Perfect lens. Make a little bit sharpness. Yeah. More brighter. That's it. It's fine. A little bit warm. Contrast. Yeah, this is correct lens. This is correct lens. Exactly. This is correct lens. Yeah. The color is okay. And get the rendering. Canon color grade test. Get off. All is good. Even if you're setting the color profile, don't forget to set Dolby Vision and enable HDR10 Plus. Yeah, and yes, and here we go. Oh, whoa. you need learn software. Yeah, everything if you do everything self. Right. Pam, pa, 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 pa. And how is the result? Slow hardware. There we go. Do you see? Result is really same or exact same as timeline. Outputs video from render. Here. Timeline. Both same. That's what we need from the Davinci Resolve Series 20 or version 20. So that's always from the tutorial for Davinci Resolve, and bye on next video. Bye bye.